Hello everyone! Today we are going to solve a problem in Chapter 10 of Thermodynamics and Heat Transfer, the heat transfer by convection. A hot water pipe at 80 degrees Celsius is losing heat to the surrounding air at 5 degrees Celsius by natural convection with a heat transfer coefficient of 25 watts per square meter times degree Celsius. Determine the rate of heat loss from the pipe by convection. So we have the given. The temperature of the surface is equal to 80 degrees Celsius and the temperature of the air is 5 degrees Celsius. The heat transfer coefficient is equal to 25 watts per square meter times degree Celsius and the diameter is equal to 7 centimeter, which can be converted into 0.07 meters. And the length is equal to 18 meters. So in this problem, we will determine the rate of the heat loss from the pipe by convection. So before solving the rate of the heat loss from the pipe, we will solve first the area of this pipe by using the formula area is equal to pi times diameter times the length, which is equal to pi times 0.07 times the length, which is 18 meters. So the area of this pipe is 3.958 square meters. So we can solve now the rate of heat loss using this formula. Is equal to the transfer coefficient times the area times the difference between the temperature of the surrounding minus the temperature of the air. So we have 25 watts per square meter times degree Celsius times the area, which is 3.958 square meter, times the quantity of 80 minus 5 degrees Celsius. So we have 7,422 watts, or dividing it by 1,000. So the rate of heat loss from the pipe by convection is 7.42 kilowatts.